any means, do not grow old. And then I started to grow old. I hit menopause. And I wanted a skincare brand that spoke to where I was now, not where I used to be. I wanted more than what was in the bottle. I wanted the messaging to speak to my soul and to speak to my spirit, and I wanted the product to speak to the skin that I have now. So I created Rogue for mature and menopausal skin to help women embrace aging with confidence. Popular culture or popular skincare will tell you, well, erase the lines. We will make you look 30 again. I don't want to make you look 30 because I do not want to be 30 again. When I was 30, I had 3 children under 5. They drove me crazy. I didn't know that. But growing older, I realized that that was not the best stage of my life. Would somebody like to come and sample this lovely serum, even if I say so myself?
I want to sample because I need to grab the mic back from you. So a sample on my skin would be awesome. Then I get to have the microphone back and amazing skin all in one go. So when your skin starts to age, you lose collagen, you lose elastin, the things that give your skin elasticity and plumpness. And you start to, the skin starts to sag, you start to have what I call lifelines. You know, the signs are inflamed. So yes, you have laughter lines. And Botox will have you erase that. Why? Because it's a world that you have laughed. What is wrong with laughing? So we are not chasing you, but we want you to have healthy, nourished skin, protect the skin barrier, strong product that will hydrate, deal with loss of elasticity, loss of tone, and hyperpigmentation. And what you really want is good, healthy skin. Well, and the glow is not too bad either, ladies and gentlemen. I am glowing in real time. A round of applause for Raw products, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've now come to the season finale of fashion. I'd like to call back to the stage
Menu abe me mo kwa baba Julie Juu TV so.
Hello, good afternoon.
Now, me pese ubo udi. I want you to mention your name and tell us about your business.
Patrick from Kwabana. My business in and my business here designs. Very nice. African Caribbean designs. Yeah, printed a good t-shirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, jumper, any chair, Nina, any bags, Nina Yebi. To say, open so yeah, customized design, now printing a good Yamaswa. Yeah, any or number one stop, Michelle Frey. Why? Yeah, bebo.
Kuo bi press t-shirt na omo pe design wo mo a omo de bra ma mo be ya ma wo mo
me pacho ekuo for momra sorry for momra organization bia momra ye mo pese mo print good t-shirt na mo fambra e be ya ma mo and your prices ne de obi antimi bi tie prices ti momra ye be hwa mo papa
ndi se obi ni e bia anye krom hampo me fa no se obi o US wa hwe obi o US obi o France obi o Germany wa hwe interview we o hia t-shirt in bulk o hia oniema ne bi in bulk a obetima ya ma no
e pacho ye ship all over the world enti krobia wo so bia o hia o contact here send you design maya ye be print ye be package ne kama ya ship aba e krobia wo so bia the whole world ye betimi dia bro.
Okay. And yeah, baby, yeah, you show why be home. I'm on what me acquire order no fatujwa.
If I show more share your internet so silemdesigns.com SILENF designs.com and that's all the software your number here 07878653775.
Okay. I didn't know final word I will catch adofo a ehwe
say open so training no see osimi ye wa design now print do wa on niam so a spray and see e bebo a e da ma se bebre bye bye.
Okay you any ye be kasa bi why
okay
bye bye
bye bye.